Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will show you on how to use the broadcast block in Scratch. Let's get started. I have two sprites, sprite 1 and sprite 2, these two cats here, and I've already written down some code in sprite 1. When the green flag is clicked, we go to this position, and after 2 seconds we broadcast message 1. What does the broadcast block do? The broadcast block sends a message to all the sprites and to the stage. In order for this message to do something, we go to events and we drag when I receive message 1. So let's make it so that when sprite 1 receives message 1, it plays the meow sound. Now if I run this, after 2 seconds it plays the meow sound. But what if I want another message? In order to do that, we go to events and drag the broadcast message 1 block. Instead of message 1, let's make a new message 2, and let's make it have a little delay. So after 3 seconds we will broadcast message 2. Now let's go to sprite 2, the gray cat here, and when it receives message 2, it will go to a random position. So if I run this, after 2 seconds it plays, and after 3 seconds the gray cat goes to a random position. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.